thesidewalkends.com. We're here at the beautiful Chaya Brasserie in Beverly Hills, California, talking about how to arrange a cleaning schedule for your kitchen floors in your restaurant. Most restaurants clean their floors twice a day. You can sometimes get away with doing it just once at the end of the night, but another opportunity to clean your floors in the middle of the day is between lunch and dinner service. In the middle of the day, you just want to pull your floor mats up, your non-slip floor mats, and usually the dishwasher or the bussing crew or something like that will just run a hot mop over the floor. At the end of the night, you want to pull those mats up and wash them, deep clean them in the mop sink, not in the dishwashing sink. It's a separate sink. You want to use the cleaner that's specified by the manufacturer for those floor mats. You don't want to degrade them, and you don't want to use too much cleaner because that can dry them out and make them crack and make you have to replace them sooner rather than later. And that can get pretty expensive if you're replacing those often. Most restaurants actually, for that deep cleaning at the end of the night, will bring in a professional cleaning crew to do it. It's a very intensive process and it can take some time. So frequently it is less expensive to bring in a cleaning crew who does that all the time rather than having your staff that's been on a 10, 12, 14-hour shift stay on later and clean all of those. That's just a little bit about how to arrange your schedule for cleaning your kitchen floors in your restaurant, usually twice a day, definitely deep clean at the end of the night. And if you can do it in between lunch and dinner service is a good idea as well. I'm Mary King from thesidewalkends.com, and that's just a little bit about how to clean your kitchen floors in your restaurant.